Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from 1xBet. Firstly, open the 1xBet website or app and log in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the My Account or Account section and select Withdraw Funds or Withdraw Money from the options available. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the list of available options such as bank transfer, e-wallet or cryptocurrency. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and provide any required details for the chosen method like bank account or e-wallet address. Now all you have to do is review the withdrawal details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction by following any additional instructions provided, and the withdrawal request will be processed according to the selected method's processing time. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the transaction history section. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.